Hello, Lapis lovers. Today, well, first of all, it's kind of early in the morning, so I'm a bit tired. But anyways, today I'm gonna play a game, a really awesome game that people say called Plug and Play. So I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's go. Eater Studios. Okay, loading. Oh, okay. What? Oh, plug. Dancing plug. What do we do? There's a plug thing right there. Do I plug it in? It's a snake. Lunge. Plug and play. Plug and play. 2 fingers. Okay. I'm gonna touch you, baby. Oh, these fingers. Ugh. Oh. Okay. You're running. Why are you running? What? What? That he falls. What is this game? Get up. Get up, Johnson. Okay, then you can run. Nope. Well, okay then. No. Wow, for the win. No, go this way. What is this game? Nice barrel roll. So let's plug it in again, I guess. Come on, just plug it in. What is? Okay, button. Hello. What? Oh, touch. Yeah, touch. Well, okay, now we're doing this, but we can tug this. Oh, it's like pulling them by the ear. You've been a very naughty Timothy today. But, oh, okay. No. Oh, to punch. Punch. Okay. Punch. Falcon. Punch. Now, what are you gonna do? I'll just walk away. Now what? Oh, it's a rave. Oh. So what do we do with this plug? What? Oh! You can, like, pull the button out? Oh, okay. Then we plug this in, I guess. Okay, now we're doing this. So let's, yeah, just put this in there. Oh, okay. Hello. What? Okay, we'll just plug that bad boy in there. Just plug that bad boy in there. What do I tap? What? Ugh, it's just poop. You're disgusting, man. There's a person right in front of you. Just, hey, you want your poop? Well, fetch. Fetch. Oh, he actually fetched. Here, fetch again. Fetch. Oh, I can't touch them. What? He just stuck his own poop into his head. Alright, you get out of there. Okay, now there's another button. Alright, put that in there. Hey there, baby. Bye. Goodbye. Okay. Oh, hello again, baby.
Do I know you? I don't know. I know you. I know. No, you
What is this?
Yes. No.
What? What is this? Okay, well now we're walking back. Oh, hello.
Do you love me? I don't know. I love you. I don't think I love you. I love you. I think you don't love me. I know I love you. I'm not sure. I do love you. I don't. It hurts. I'm leaving.
Well, okay. Aw, now he's sad. That's sad. Okay, now we're back here. Oh, there's a plug. Here, you just get out of there. Okay, now there's new plug mechanic thing. Just get in there. Okay, we're back here. You. You've been the very naughty Timothy. What? Oh, they're hugging. Uh-oh. What? What the heck? And then the guy comes like, "Ooh, what's going on?" Come on, just plug. Please, just plug. Thank you. Heck? Oh my god. You can make him go places. Family, that way. Family, let's go that way. Go faster, family, to that way. Oh no. Family, okay, go that way. Away from that weird guy. Or we can go this way. Hi, Charlie. Charlie, look at us. We're like a moving What is this game? Come on, just plug into the plug. Thank you. Oh, and then it crashes. Can you, not crash, please? I hope it saved my progress. If it didn't, I'll be sad. Come on, you can do it. Oh, it did it. It didn't crash this time. Yay! Alright. Let's just get in there. Oh, now what? Now leaving by. Just plug into that. What the heck is going up? What did I just look at? And this keeps crashing. I don't know why. But what the heck did I just look at? It was an endless cycle of butt. Okay, you're gonna do that. You're gonna lag a bit. Don't crash. Well, I guess that's where I'm gonna end the video here. So I'm gonna do another part of plug and play and see if it'll work. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this very awkwardness, please give a like. And yeah, see you in the next video.